Welcome back. There is a round timing. Exam was okay, not ever. Because as we compare the questions are very easy but are very complicated. Because in that exam, I was not made my own self, but I made my own self exam, and the teacher is a very strictly teacher on only checking all the concept, not our theory on language. First question, section one, a very important long question. Divine difference between tax revision, awareness, tax planning, and various implication. It is a very important and easy question. I already read out, but I not remember what should I read. Even I don't know the meaning of the avoidance revision. In my mind, all the bad sexual thoughts. Not a matlab, that means that I was watched in the um, bad scenes that come in my mind. And today, shifting from up lower to upper floor in the exams, in that our children were sitting with me. Next to the detail, the text section available to amalgamate. I was just giving a 6 marks. Text concessions while available to either don't read this chapter. The question is explain in detail the tax concessions available to amalgamated company in the case of amalgamation as per income tax. This is very important question. Who read out the chapter amalgamation? I left this chapter, so that's why I'm not prepared this. I'm not attempting this question. Third is what incentives have to keep in mind while selecting the location of business. I do not read. I do not read from the book because I have not time, and but I read from the YouTube channels from the male students, male teachers that were taught to me, and all the things that was written in the, I don't know what was given exam. I also know I just read down the 5 marks as my own. Next is what are different incentives available under income tax act for promotion of exports. Explain. I don't know which chapter this question has come from, so that way I'm not attempted. I mean, this is very good, not average attempt questions long. Section B. Provision related element. I also not doing this chapter is non-resident individual because my other student preparing so much well at the starting stages they were not showing, but I'm not present at that moment. I'm present only in how to solving our class relations, like good if or she talks with good in me, the teacher does not give a time. So all thing I wasted a time and do not concentrate on study. The tip of the day one is that at that time is very important to only concentrate on your study, because at the time you have option to ask your teacher and practice questions, but at the time of exam nothing will be solve your problem. You have a stress and you find the ways to recover this stress, to take a type of addiction, watching some type of bad love story, sexual addictions, kissing scene. That's why I'm watching this type of Korean dramas, PTKs. That's why this very harmful effect on my studies and my brain. That's why all the pattern in my mind is going is this a very bad. I thinking all the very bad. Some girls that have a committed in their life, all things that as listen for me. That's why I'm not confident. So from B, I did not attempt this question. The sixth question is text concentration. This, can you imagine that I only study only one chapter tomorrow, and it took 7 hours on ChatGPT, and that's why I had a migraine, headache, and not good sleep, and that's why, because on the previous I was watching that type of videos, that why. So I attempt this question but I don't know this question I will be give a full marks if I will check this question. I hope I read down to 10 marks, I don't know, but the length was question is very small. And after the provision, explain, read the provision related to reduction of tax at source. I also read this question from the YouTube on in the morning. Even I don't know, I just read it shortly, not at a briefly, because of the 12 marks question. I also got 5 marks this question. I if the ma'am is given and give an effort to check this question and had a time, if the ma'am is check only length, I hope that ma'am gave a good marks for me. I just explained the meaning of tax reduction and explained clear. I didn't remember the provisions, that's why only reading the meaning and examples, some type of. Next is the tax provision for employees related to compensation. Can you imagine that this question? I just leave that because I thought that in the MST ma'am was, uh, you know, uh, write or set the question, and ma'am was skip this question. But now this question, the same question, you think that this is not important, the same is coming in your exams. So believe your gut feeling when you are not totally 100% sure. So attempt or hard work this question, because hard work never goes waste. If you uh, think, because it, I hope that it, this exam will have a 2 holiday, and I will cover this question and syllabus, because syllabus is so much lengthy and complex, because in that chapters nobody is make their own, only written the concepts and proper and clear meaning. Because in the provisions some type of included and text provisions, you should not make their own. uh, because my in my side some girl was sitting there, the music paper, because in my time music was playing, Papan song, Ran, Bulle Shah, this song was playing in my mind. Section C, 3D shopping. I didn't remember this because I didn't read this chapter. Avoidance of tax, double taxing. Because in that morning, when I was get up, I was wake up around as early 7 a.m. And this was a very quick nap when I was on a dream. Today I have very three types of sleeping pattern. I had a dream first session, second session I was taken small nap, and third is a very deep sleep. That's why a quick I was just wake up and I thought how I cover the short question. I had do not read this chapter, and previous night I took a lots of stress and fight with my problem arguments that you do not understand me. That's why this creates and took time. And this is the chapter is living avoidance of travel taxation. I promised myself that I should this chapter I should do, but I my promise is never make this responsible. uh, RFA and actually I will know this a little bit of average question, and I will make my own and fill the sheet. I hope this will get a 1 marks. Bilaterally, if I was asking from my frontal bench and she will talk to me in a one line answer, 1.5 marks I will hope, if the ma'am allows, because ma'am is not giving extra marks or any poor marks. Ma'am is only attempt that question and it is correct. That's why the fourth is make or buy. I will read this question morning and come in exam. I know this is a very important question. I will hope this will go full marks. In intercorporate dividend also I will understand this. And next is export oriented analytic. I know which, from this question is chapter, from which chapter is coming. Limitation of tax planning, I don't know. I also mean my own self. I hope half marks will go on. No, I don't know tax hints for sole proprietorship. I read the whole book, and I did not tax hints for sole proprietorship because I did not read the second chapter. That's why. So this was the temptation of my answer. Half marks. Demerger, I don't know what was the meaning of demerger. Even one line or a single word I was written my own. I think this was wrong. I didn't mark this portion. Backward classes I written this. I hope 1 marks. Advanced mathematics I little bit of half marks. So average paper is attempted. I important second tip of the day is that you should not trust your other. Sometime I thought that my friend is helping me, because in that classes she will not even ask me. She is always trying to uh, funny on myself. So how I can be imagine that she or her or even a girl that helped in my exam, because my mental health is very deteriorated. Can you imagine that? My mental health, I face a lots of mental health struggles. That's why I'm not concentrate on struggling in the exam. But nobody is helping me. But I wait that day that I had a job and I go to the psychologist and I talk to every and each thing that what I feel at now stage. Only Halak Pandev sir video come in my mind in the exams. And my exam is complete before time. It's just took around 11 sorry 12 or 15, but other one students written down because they had known the material, they revise properly, they wake up early in the morning, they continuously study, and they had a lot of stress. But I had a stress. I when I watch or listening movies, YouTube, I had not a stress. That's why I'm making videos and a self evaluation of my exams, 2 day exams. This was a day that I was not present, and I hope I feeling some type of not good because my exam was not good. It's okay, okay. Just all the best and do other hard work. The other exam also have one holiday. Important third tip of the day: don't change your pattern style, study style, because sometimes you watched lots of videos to how to overcome your stress, and you should release or waste time to watching that type of distracted or sexual types of videos like a PTKK or K drama. This will very harmful effect, and this will lose your track. And distrust your parents lot, and in outside nothing will be there to teach you how to react, even a teacher, and especially your friends, because in that age everybody is doing their hustle. Especially, please do not take a steps to overcome your stress. If you have any stress, make videos, meditation, and have a good sleep. Please do not watch this video. All the best, and please hard work.